Here, our third class students want to sing the poem The Swing, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Let's start.
How do you like to go up and sing up in the air so blue? Oh, do you think pleasant as a thing love what a child can do? Up in the air and over the world till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees, cattle and dawn, over the countryside. Till I look down on the golden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air, I go flying again, up in the air and down.
Thank you, very good. Well done, students.